How's it going, folks? Jake Ford here from Kunes RV Green Bay, here to show off the Fuzion 419. Now this is a very large coach, triple axle here. We've got 3 axles, 3 slides, 3 awnings, 3 air conditioners, 3 different sleeping rooms in this thing. This thing's got it all. We got 44 feet in total length. Also, it weighs in at just over 15,000 pounds. Now, up front here, we got about a 14-foot awning. Over on this side over here, we got about a 10-foot awning. And then on the back side of the coach, where you see that pretty cool deck back there, we got another awning back there as well. Now, we got 3 entrances to this coach. One up front, right into the kitchen area. Another one right here, right into the toy hauler, right into the garage. And a new one back here. Right up onto the right onto the deck, part of the toy hauler here. Nice patio system, help keep the puppies, maybe the little ones, inside here without falling off and hurting themselves. Yeah, well, let's have a walk inside. We'll check out the interior of the coach. All right, folks, into the kitchen. We got a nice little island right here with great little bar stools. These things are fantastic. We got ducted heat that goes right through the base of the island here. Back behind me, we got plenty of counter space back here. Big country style sink with bamboo cutting boards. Little spray adapter on your sink there. This does have a great, well, a decent sized oven right here. You're not obviously cooking your Thanksgiving turkey in that, but you can get some good amount of cooking done there. 3 burner cooktop here, convection microwave up top, and then we also got our gas and electric French door refrigerator. That is pretty large. Also, this coach has, like I said before, 3 air conditioners in this portion of the coach, in the living area, kitchen, and bedroom. We got 2 out of those 3 air conditioners pumping through the ductwork in this thing. And then there's going to be that 3rd air conditioner that is just for the garage area in the rear of the coach. Yeah, let's spin things around and we'll look at the living room. Hey there, folks. Up here in the little bit of a loft crawl area here, we've got one little bunk here. Obviously, if I can wiggle my fat butt up here, most children can get up here too. One of the air conditioners is up in this location. Also, down over here, we got a really big couch. It's got heat, massage. It also reclines, and a material that is very easy to wipe up if any messes do occur. Also, over on this side over here, we've got our TV, fireplace, the whole entertainment system, Bluetooth stereo with speakers galore throughout the whole interior of the coach and the exterior. All right, folks, I'm sitting here on the stairs leading up to the bathroom and the bedroom area in this big 5th wheel toy hauler. Over here, we got the most important feature of the whole camper, beer bottle opener. Over here, right underneath these stairs, we've got the vacuum cleaner system that's built right into the staircase. And then right up over here, we've got our control panel. This guy right here is a touchscreen control panel that controls your generator, awning, slides, lights, tank heaters. The whole smash is all controlled right here. Nice, easy system. Honestly, it's so easy a drunk 5-year-old could work this thing. All right, folks, into the master bedroom of this coach, we got a standard king-size bed in here. There comes with a TV right here. We got a little dresser down at the foot of the bed over here. Also, behind me, we've got washer and dryer prep inside this closet here for a nice 2-in-1. And then also sliding door on this side. Lots of cabinet space in here. And then over on the other side, hanging closet. Good to go over there. We got USB 110 on both sides of the bed, along with a little nook to put a bottle of water. Also under the bed, more storage down under there. We got ducted heat through the floor in this guy. And then over off the bedroom here, we've got the 2-door entrance into the bathroom. Good size shower, not a big step here. Lots of space. I'm 5'6" on a good day, so we definitely got a lot of space in here for taller guys. Sink, pretty standard toilet, porcelain bowl. A little bit of counter space in there. All right, folks, now we're gonna walk into the toy hauler end of this, this camper here. We got a 15-foot garage. It has 9 different positions to tie down your vehicle, your motorcycle, whatever you're throwing back there. Also, we've got 2 queen-size sleeping spaces, half bathroom, and an extra door that, that goes right into the toy hauler. Come on in, let's check it out. So back here right away, we've got the dinette seating. There is a surfboard style table that goes in right in between here. Above this here, up top, we've got a queen size bed that is on a motor that drops down when you need it, but it's up and out of the way when you don't need it. Obviously, we've got these pretty awesome patio doors off the back side here. Open up just like your patio doors at home. Brings you out to the patio outside here. Also, on this side over here, this is where we find the half bath. And then up over here, little compartment maybe to put some fishing poles or anything that you might have that's long and skinny. Up top here, we also got the TV. Good for Packer games when the boys are getting a little rowdy. Come on, the toy hauler area, you can make a mess. Easy to clean up back here. We also got the 3rd air conditioner back here. LED lighting, speakers galore. And like I had mentioned, the bed portion, it's all on a motor. Goes up and down with ease. And then it'll fold flat up against the wall for when you want to bring your toys in, or you can leave it flat and bring it all the way up to the other bed that's up there. All right, folks, wrapping it up here. Like I said, this coach is 44 feet long. It weighs just over 15,000 pounds. Tri-axle. This will pretty much haul any toy you want to bring anywhere in the country you want to bring it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Like I said, my name is Jake Ford. I'm the only sales guy with a beard, so I'm pretty easy to spot when you guys come in. You can reach me at 920-434-2380. Hope to see you soon.